Hello, welcome back to a somewhat late, when I say late I mean a couple of months late, Cafe Productivity. Why has it been late? Because, no offence intended to you guys, but I've had some stuff going on that's been more important to me. Some really fairly devastating stuff in my personal life, a bereavement. So, no offence intended, you didn't hit the radar. But now we're back and we're ready to go. And this productivity tip is in Cafe 1901 and it's called Target Tactics Tools. So the idea is that you have a strategy or a project or something you need to do. And in order to figure out how to do that, you need those three things. And quite often I think of it as a target, a tactic, and as a tool, as a hierarchy. But also it's sometimes useful to think of them as overlapping Venn diagrams of targets, tactics, tools. So you have your strategy. And within that strategy, what targets do you have? Okay, so for example, my strategy might be to lose weight. My target would be something more specific, something more accountable. It would be to come down to, let's say, 82 kilograms by September the 1st, for example. So that's my target. My tactic would be my two tactics would be a combination of eat less, move more. And the move more, let's say, for example, would be to go to the gym 3 times a week. But the problem with that, of course, is it's just an aspiration. So I have to ask myself what tools I need to do that. And in this case, it's just my diary, and I book in 3 times a week to go to the gym. So it's targets, tactics, tools. And that means that when it actually comes to doing the stuff, it's done, it's planned, it's in for me. I don't have to do any thinking. And if you miss out targets, tactics, tools, well, if you miss out targets, you don't know what you're doing. If you miss out tactics, you don't know how you're doing it, and if you miss out tools, it's so much more difficult to actually do the things that you're looking for. So that's it. Oh, and perfect timing. Here's my protein shake. Cheers, guys. See you soon.